What's up, foodies? You've got to try my delicious white bean and rosemary soup. It's super cozy and it's delicious for when it's chilly outside. Honestly, it's one of those soups that is so comforting, especially with some crusty bread on the side for dipping. This video is sponsored by Community Natural Foods and they have provided me with some amazing produce to make this delicious soup. So let's get into it. First, in a large pot, heat 1/3 a cup of olive oil over medium-high heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add 1 small diced onion, 2 medium chopped carrots, and season with some salt. These veggies are going to form the flavor base for this soup. Then cook them gently for 5 to 7 minutes until they become tender, stirring occasionally to prevent them from burning. Next, stir in 4 cloves of minced garlic, 3 sprigs of chopped rosemary, 3 sprigs of thyme leaves, and 1 tablespoon of ground coriander. Then cook them for another 1 to 2 minutes until the garlics and herbs release their flavors. Careful not to let the garlic burn, as this could turn the whole thing bitter. Then pour in 2 cans of cannellini beans, the liquid and all, followed by 2 liters of veggie or chicken stock. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer gently for about 15 to 20 minutes. This allows the flavors to come together and to keep the beans from overcooking. After the soup is simmered, remove it from the heat. Using an immersion blender or a normal blender, carefully blend the soup until it's smooth. Blending the soup will give it a nice, creamy, rich, hearty texture. If you want, you can leave a few chunks of veggies and beans for texture if you prefer a chunkier soup. Then return the soup to the pot and set on a low heat and stir in half a cup of heavy whipping cream. You can remove this if you want, but it does add an extra richness to the soup. Now let the soup simmer for an additional 5 minutes. Then taste to adjust the salt and pepper as needed. Now ladle the warm creamy soup into bowls, garnishing with a drizzle of olive oil or fresh rosemary sprig. And don't forget to serve it with some delicious grilled crusty bread for dipping. This white bean rosemary soup is perfect for cozy days when you want something hearty but not too heavy. Thank you for watching to the end. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, a subscribe down below, and until next time, FOOD-DEE out. Out.